Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Imelda Anisha, and today I would like to explain how to make a LinkedIn account from the beginning of a registered. Will you have an account? Before we watch step by step how to make LinkedIn account, I will explain little bit about what is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a social network that has a unique concept where most users are professionals who have a business background, like an identity. LinkedIn uses the media to introduce yourself or business to prospective college or companies with diverse objectives. Benefits from LinkedIn include building a professional profile, expanding connection, maintaining relationship with old friends, make it easy for you to apply for a job, open up opportunities for recruiting by companies. And now we'll start making LinkedIn. How to make LinkedIn? The first time you can open Google Chrome. And you can type here link in and click here. Because you don't have an account, so you click join now. In here, make sure you have an active email. First part, you can type your first name and last name. And click continue. And you can find like this, security verification. And click this. You can choose your country or region, Indonesia and postal code, and click next. And you can type your job title and company and select industry. For example, nurse practitioner or registered nurse. Company. And select industry. Hospital and healthcare. And continue. After that, there will be a confirmation that comes into your email and type the code that came in your email. and click agree and confirm. Then your LinkedIn account is ready. And this is in the front page of LinkedIn. And then you can complete your profile. Click here. And click here for insert your photo. And upload photo. And insert your photo. Click and open. You can zoom in, and click save photo. And then next, you can add profile section, intro, and then about and background, education, work experience, license and certification, volunteer experience, skills, accomplishment, additional information, and support language. And then next is in the home tool, you can start posting like you are looking for a job, and you can insert photos, videos, or document. And in my network, you can follow people through your contact, and then click continue. And the next is jobs. In jobs, you can post job vacancies or find job applicant here. Post a job. And you can also look for jobs that suit your wishes. Click here for your wishes job and search location. In messaging, you can see the message that come in you. And in the notification, you will see a notification whether you are accepted by a job or not. Then is there are a job applicant applying for a job you are holding. And your LinkedIn account is complete and ready to use. I think enough, and thank you for watching. Hopefully useful, and let's try.